Did you know that if you lose your job and you have a child support obligation, it does not automatically mean that your child support payments decrease or stop? Recently, I met with a client who lost his job and he received a large severance package. He's also of retirement age, making him eligible for Social Security benefits, which adds another layer to his situation. So this client became a dad late in life, and he's required to pay child support since his ex-wife has custody of their 15-year-old child. After losing his job, he received a severance package, part of which is being paid this year and the rest being paid next year. His total income for the year, including severance, is around $320,000, which is quite a bit higher than his usual $200,000 salary. His child support was based upon his previous $200,000 a year income, but now his ex-wife is requesting an increase due to his higher earnings, even though he lost his job. While this might seem counterintuitive, child support calculations are based on actual income. So since he is receiving unemployment benefits and severance, his overall income for the year is higher than before, which can result in his child support obligation increasing from what it previously was. Looking ahead to next year, however, his income will change again, with severance payments and unemployment ending, and his only income potentially being his Social Security payments after he reaches full retirement age of 67. Remember, he's 66 now, so he'll be 67 next year. Under federal law, when a retired individual has a minor child, the child may also be eligible for Social Security benefits. So in this case, his daughter would receive additional funds, which could actually be assigned to his ex-wife to cover child support. By next year, this client may no longer need to pay any traditional child support because the Social Security benefits could potentially provide enough for the minor child to cover his child support payment. He's planning to retire fully, so once his income from employment and severance ends, Social Security will be his primary source of support. This means that his financial obligation will shift from direct child support payments to Social Security benefits being allocated to his daughter. It's a complex situation, especially when severance pay and retirement pay are involved. Many people assume that losing a job automatically lowers or stops their child support, but if you receive a large severance or other compensation income, that year's income may actually increase. As a result, child support payments can potentially rise based upon your total earnings, even if your employment status changes. What if there's a situation where the parent is not even seeing their child? The answer is that child support is not tied to parenting time. Those rights and obligations are not intertwined. Whether or not you see your child, you are still obligated to pay child support. And not paying child support does not affect your right to see your child. In fact, the court can even raise child support if you stop seeing your child because the original calculation may have factored in overnights and shared parenting time and you being a part of the child's life and having a responsibility. And guess what? If those things aren't happening anymore, the court can further compensate the parent who's shouldering more responsibility and the costs of raising a child. That makes sense, right? So what should you do if you're facing this unique kind of situation that I've been talking about on this video? Definitely schedule a consultation with a highly experienced, sharp family law attorney who has seen this and many other situations and can properly review and advise you of your rights, your responsibilities, and the options for the best strategic legal step for you to take. Do not go this alone. You only get one chance to make the right moves, and if you're like me, you don't want to find yourself in the future having tremendous regret for making the wrong decision now in the present, especially when you know of an expert who can help guide you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.